Every week, developers release new open-source tools that improve how we build, automate, and manage software systems. This weekly update highlights top trending open-source and best dev tool projects this week, so you can quickly discover useful tools without spending hours searching. From JavaScript tooling and AI coding workflows to distributed systems and developer utilities, these projects are gaining attention in the open-source community. Without wasting time, let's get started.
Welcome back to Manu AGI Tutorials. Here, we explore the exciting world of AI, latest AI tools for you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest AI insights. So let's start today's video.
Project number 1, Bun, JavaScript runtime with integrated development tooling. Bun is an open-source JavaScript and TypeScript runtime designed to simplify modern application development with a single fast toolchain. It combines a runtime, package manager, bundler, test runner, and Node.js compatibility layer into one system that runs locally across development workflows. Developers use Bun to install dependencies, execute scripts, bundle applications, and run tests without separate tooling stacks. The runtime is built in Zig and supports front-end and back-end JavaScript environments. This helps developers reduce tooling complexity and speed up iteration. Try Bun in your next JavaScript project. Project number 2, Oxk, Rust-based toolkit for JavaScript tooling. Oxk is an open-source JavaScript and TypeScript tooling framework written in Rust. It provides core infrastructure such as parsers, linters, transformers, formattas, and semantic analysis tools for modern JavaScript development. Developers integrate Oxk into editors, build systems, and developer tooling to process code efficiently across large projects. The system focuses on fast local execution and modular architecture. This helps teams build performant JavaScript tooling stacks. Explore Oxk for modern JavaScript infrastructure. Project number 3, Coding Flashcards, Interactive Coding Knowledge Learning System. Coding Flashcards is an open-source educational project that helps developers learn programming concepts through flashcard-based repetition. It organizes coding topics into structured prompts and answers that users can review interactively during study sessions. The repository focuses on reinforcing syntax, concepts, and development knowledge through repeated recall. This helps learners retain technical information more effectively. Explore the flashcards and strengthen your coding fundamentals. Project number 4, Re_Gent, AI-assisted version control workflow system. Re_Gent is an open-source AI-powered workflow system designed to assist with version control and repository management. It helps developers coordinate repository actions, code understanding, and AI-assisted workflows around Git operations. The project focuses on combining agent-style reasoning with repository workflows in development environments. This helps streamline collaborative coding and repository automation. Try Re_Gent in your development workflow. Project number 5, Dirac, Workflow Runtime for Distributed Execution Systems. Dirac is an open-source runtime designed to manage distributed workflow execution across connected systems. It coordinates tasks, execution flow, and communication between services in structured pipelines. Developers use it to build systems where workflows need durable execution and distributed coordination. The runtime manages state and execution behavior while applications define the logic. This helps simplify complex orchestration systems. Explore Dirac for distributed workflow execution. Project number 6, DAC, Data Pipeline Orchestration and Management Framework. DAC is an open-source framework that helps developers define, manage, and orchestrate data workflows. It provides structures for handling pipelines, transformations, and operational processes across data systems. Developers integrate DAC into analytics and engineering environments where repeatable data execution matters. The framework organizes dependencies and execution logic within structured workflows. This helps teams manage data operations more reliably. Use DAC to coordinate your data pipelines. Project number 7, OpenBias, Toolkit for Analyzing Bias in AI Systems. OpenBias is an open-source framework designed to evaluate and analyze bias in AI models and datasets. It provides tools and workflows that help developers inspect outputs, compare behaviors, and study fairness-related patterns across systems. Researchers and engineers use it to better understand how models behave under different conditions. The framework supports structured evaluation workflows for responsible AI development. This helps teams improve transparency in AI systems. Explore OpenBias to study model behavior. Project number 8, Academic Research Skills for Claude Code. Research Workflow Skills for Coding Assistants. Academic Research Skills for Claude Code is an open-source repository that provides structured workflows and prompting patterns for academic research tasks using Claude-based coding tools. It helps researchers organize literature review, note-taking, reasoning, and writing workflows through reusable AI guidance patterns. Developers and students use it to structure research-oriented interactions with coding assistants. This improves consistency in AI-assisted academic workflows. Explore the skills and apply them to your research process. Project number 9, Claude Code Plugins Directory, Official Plugin Index for Claude Code. Claude Code Plugins Directory is an open-source repository that catalogs official plugins and integrations for Claude Code environments. It helps developers discover extensions that connect Claude workflows with external tools, services, and development systems. The directory acts as a central reference for expanding Claude Code capabilities through plugins. This helps developers build more connected AI-assisted workflows. Browse the directory and extend your Claude Code setup. Project number 10, CodeGraph, Graph-Based Code Analysis and Exploration Tool. CodeGraph is an open-source developer tool that transforms repositories into graph structures for analysis and exploration. It maps relationships between files, symbols, and dependencies so developers can better understand large code bases. The system processes repository structure into connected graphs that support navigation and inspection workflows. This helps engineers explore unfamiliar projects more efficiently. Use CodeGraph to visualize and understand your codebase. Project number 11, Pyrefly, Static Analysis and Type Checking Tool for Python. Pyrefly is an open-source Python analysis tool focused on static checking and code understanding workflows. It helps developers inspect Python projects for type issues, structural problems, and analysis insights before runtime. The tool integrates into development workflows and processes repositories locally for fast feedback. This improves reliability in Python applications. Try Pyrefly in your Python workflow. Project number 12, Zero, Experimental Programming Language for AI-native workflows. Zero is an open-source experimental programming language project from Reversa Labs focused on AI-native development workflows. It explores how programming environments can integrate more directly with AI systems and modern application execution patterns. Developers use it to experiment with new language abstractions and AI-assisted programming concepts. The project focuses on developer experience and modern workflow design. Explore Zero to experiment with AI-native programming ideas. Project number 13, opencode-cursor, Cursor Integration for OpenCode Workflows. opencode-cursor is an open-source integration project that connects OpenCode workflows with the cursor editor environment. It helps developers use OpenCode tooling and AI-assisted coding interactions directly inside cursor-based workflows. The integration streamlines prompt execution and repository interaction from the editor. This helps developers maintain focused AI coding workflows. Try opencode-cursor in your editor setup. Project number 14, Temporal Java SDK Samples, Example Workflows for Temporal in Java. Temporal Java SDK Samples is an open-source repository of example projects that demonstrate workflow patterns using the Temporal Java SDK. It includes runnable examples showing activities, retries, timers, signals, and orchestration workflows in Java environments. Developers use the samples to learn how durable execution works in real systems. This helps backend teams adopt Temporal more quickly. Run the examples and explore workflow orchestration in Java. Project number 15, Bitsandbytes, Memory-Efficient Optimization Library for Machine Learning. Bitsandbytes is an open-source machine learning library that provides memory-efficient optimizers and quantization techniques for training and running large models. It integrates with frameworks like PyTorch and supports low-precision operations that reduce GPU memory usage during inference and training. Developers use it to run larger models on smaller hardware setups. This helps improve accessibility for machine learning workflows. Add Bitsandbytes to optimize your model workloads. Project number 16, Chorus, Collaborative Coding Environment for AI Workflows. Chorus is an open-source collaborative coding platform designed for AI-assisted development workflows. It provides shared environments where developers and AI systems can coordinate coding tasks, prompts, and project context together. The platform focuses on structured collaboration and workflow management across teams. This helps organize AI-assisted software development more effectively. Explore Chorus for collaborative AI coding. Project number 17, Club 3090, Community-Driven AI and Coding Resource Hub. Club 3090 is an open-source repository that organizes AI, coding, and developer-related resources for community learning and experimentation. It acts as a shared hub where developers explore workflows, tools, and educational material around AI engineering. The repository focuses on practical exploration instead of a single framework or application. This helps developers discover new tools and workflows. Browse Club 3090 and explore the ecosystem. Project number 18, Codex++, Enhanced Tooling Layer for Codex Workflows. Codex++ is an open-source toolkit that extends Codex-based development workflows with additional utilities and workflow helpers. It helps developers manage prompts, repository interactions, and coding tasks more efficiently inside AI-assisted environments. The project focuses on improving developer productivity through workflow enhancements. This is useful for terminal-first coding setups. Try Codex++ to enhance your coding workflow. Project number 19, OpenKB, Open Knowledge Base Platform for AI Systems. OpenKB is an open-source knowledge-based platform designed to organize and retrieve structured information for AI workflows. It helps developers store documents, relationships, and contextual data that agents and applications can query during execution. The system supports retrieval-driven workflows where structured memory improves AI responses. This helps teams build more context-aware applications. Use OpenKB to organize knowledge for your AI systems. Project number 20, Reversa, Reverse Engineering and Analysis Toolkit. Reversa is an open-source toolkit focused on reverse engineering and software analysis workflows. It provides utilities for inspecting binaries, understanding system behavior, and analyzing low-level software structures. Developers and researchers use it to study applications and execution patterns in controlled environments. The project supports technical analysis workflows for software inspection. Explore Reversa for reverse engineering tasks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next weekly dev tool update.